Hello, my name is Henry, and today I am now going to be talking about birds. Okay, on to another topic. Birds have species too, but you gotta be right about the type of birds. Birds are very good animals because birds fly around in the sky. Now, there are different kinds of birds. Birds would be animals, pets, and all types of different birds. When birds fly, they reach the sky. Whenever birds are animals, they fly. Birds seem to be any sort of pet animal that's extinct by a bird, or many birds fly around in the sky. All birds are in the air once they fly. A ducky is a type of duck that basically goes in the pond. Duckies live in the pond. Fishes live in the ocean. Sharks live in the water. Seals live in the water too. Now, for the same results, we also explained a few topics about avoiding getting bitten by an iguana, how to avoid getting bitten by an iguana.